What's up, baby birds? Take a look behind me, and this is the epidermis. This figure shows the different layers or the different strata of the epidermis. This is what your skin looks like. So here we can see the stratum basale, the basal cell layers, and these cells divide via mitosis to replenish the cell population. Here we have the stratum spinosum. These cells look like they have little spines on them, and that's because when we prep the cells or the tissue for histological examination or to view under a microscope, we pull the water out of it and the cells shrink, but they're still connected via little desmosomes. See one there, right? And that gives them the appearance that they have little spines on them. So this is the stratum spinosum from here all the way up to here. Here we have the stratum granulosum. This is where the granular layer is going to appear. The cells are going to have keratin granules, and they're going to have little melanin granules in them. So you can see all these little granules in them. And so that layer is going to be a very dark staining layer under histology. So this is the stratum granulosum. Then we have this layer here, which is the stratum lucidum. This is a lucid layer. The cells don't have those granules. They don't have any nuclei because the cells are starting to die, but the cells are still filled with a little bit of cytoplasmic content, and they have the cell membranes. Then up here, this apical cell layer, this is the stratum corneum. The stratum corneum is where the cells are really starting to die off. The cell membranes are starting to break down and the cells are losing cytoplasm. So this is like almost just sort of membranous based material that's left in the cells at this point. And then these cells will slough off as the proteins that make up the desmosomes, those cell junctions, die out. So we have 5 layers here, which tells us this is thick skin. We have the stratum basale here, stratum spinosum here, stratum granulosum here, stratum lucidum here, and the stratum corneum there. So that is the strata of the epidermis. Now you know. Later.